Hey folks, welcome back. Greg Silverman here, your Chief Investment Officer, CIOs and bow ties. This is another session of Come Learn With Me. Interesting articles that everyone liked and shared from last week, and another one about SPACs. So SPACs is no surprise, big time in the news. Let's see what this is about. Investors' SPAC push could revamp the private market money game. This is from TechCrunch. I love TechCrunch. I think it's a great website. Is this venture capital's natural evolution? Since last year, we've been tracking the growing list of capitalists who got into the SPAC game. You can read an interview we conducted with Amish Johnny, the co-founder of First Mark Capital, about his SPAC here. And if you need a refresher on all things SPAC, we have this for you as well. This morning, I want to better understand the trend by passing a few new venture capitalist SPACs. We'll examine Rare Hippo Acquisition Corp. and Kostler Venture Acquisitions Company 1, 2, and 3. The SPACs are somewhat obviously associated with New York-based Rare Hippo and Menlo Park's Kostler Ventures, and all four dropped formal S1 filings last week. Today's topic may sound dry, but it really does matter. As we've reported, Lux Capital is in on the SPAC wager, along with Ribbit and, of course, SoftBank, adding our latest names to the mix, and you have to wonder if every VC worth a damn in the future will have their own raft of SPAC offerings. In that way, as some late-stage venture capital funds invest earlier, and now later, full-service VC outfits will offer first check to final liquidity. Will such a full-stack venture outfit, be able to win more deals in a group offering a limited set of financing options? If so, the recent venture capital SPAC wave could become more of a rising tide in time, to torture a metaphor. Regardless, let's quickly pass what Kostler and Rare Hippo are telling public investors about why they will be greater SPACers before working our way backward to what the resulting pitch must be to startups themselves. Full stack capital. The Rare Hippo SPAC is the most interesting of the two firms as combined four offerings, so we'll start there. This isn't to diss Kostler, but the Rare Hippo blank check has some explicit wording I want to highlight. From the Acquisition Corp's S1 filing, read the following. As our seed portfolio matured over the last decade, we added a growth strategy to our platform through our select funds. This capital enables us to continue providing financial support to our top-performing early-stage companies as they scale, and to selectively make new investments in later-stage companies in the Rare Hippo network. With our portfolio now maturing to the stage at which many are considering the public markets, we view SPACs as a natural next step in the evolution of our platform. After writing that it had 4 portfolio companies publicly announced business combination agreements with SPACs, and noting that it expects more of the same, the Rare Hippo added that it considers its expansion to the SPAC market as a highly complementary element of our strategy to support founders through their entrepreneurial journeys. That's it. Okay. Well, SPACs are where it's at, apparently. Whether it's a fad or here to stay, we will just have to wait and see. So I hope you enjoyed that one. Take care.